As defined in the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, pareidolia is the tendency to perceive a meaningful image in a random visual pattern. Examples of pareidolia are all around us. A few cases of this include seeing a face in a tree trunk, a bunny in the clouds, or faces in random objects. Since the Viking missions were launched by NASA in 1975, to the Curiosity rover still exploring the surface of Mars today, NASA has provided us with thousands of photos on Mars. Some of these images appear to be quite intriguing. Are these simply cases of pareidolia, or is there something strange happening on the red planet? In today's episode, we will be looking into the mysterious pictures from Mars. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the second smallest planet in our solar system and is roughly half the size of the Earth. Once thought to have vast oceans and a dense atmosphere, Mars is now a cold, barren planet with little signs of liquid water. It appears there is little hope of finding an advanced civilization on Mars today. But what about millions of years ago, when conditions on Mars were very similar to Earth? Is it possible that the red planet was once home to a thriving race of advanced beings? Today, we will be examining photographs from Mars, possibly showing evidence of this. Please note that these pictures were provided by NASA and have not been altered or manipulated in any way. In 1976, during the Viking mission, this photo of the now famous face on Mars was taken while orbiting the planet. NASA scientists have dismissed this image as a trick of light and shadows. These strange tube-like structures have appeared multiple times across the surface of Mars. Could the Martians have built a Hyperloop thousands of years before Elon Musk? NASA says that these are just natural formations. This photo created a sensation on the internet when it was released. It appears to be a statue of a girl sitting on a rock. It often has been said to resemble the Little Mermaid statue in Denmark. In this photo, we can see what appears to be the skull of a dinosaur. This curious image shows what appears to be a man running down a hill. NASA claims that this is nothing more than a natural rock formation. Some have said that this odd-looking object looks like a Martian traffic signal. This image appears to show a vase buried in the sand. This image image seems to have captured something that looks very much like a human thigh bone. This photo has captured the image of what looks to be a perfectly round sphere resting on the surface. In this photo, we see an object that resembles a World War II Nazi soldier's helmet. Could this be the tip of a pyramid emerging from the sands of Mars? NASA tells us it's only a pointy rock. This compelling photo was taken by the Mars Opportunity rover in 2014. This odd, strange light has been attributed to cosmic radiation by NASA scientists. In this photo, we see an object that resembles a human finger lying on the ground next to the rover. This photo appears to have captured the shadow of a humanoid figure wearing protective gear working on the rover. Could this possibly be a Martian inspecting the craft from Earth? NASA has stated that all of the images shown here today are the result of natural processes or are just cases of pareidolia. In any case, we won't have definitive answers until we actually visit Mars ourselves. But this may come much sooner than you realize. SpaceX is hoping to launch a manned mission to Mars by as early as 2024. NASA is hoping to launch its first manned mission by 2033. Both have said they would like to begin colonizing the planet soon. Maybe even within the next 10 to 20 years. On March 9, 2020, Elon Musk issued a statement saying he would like to send 1 million people to Mars by the year 2050. Leaving Earth to colonize another planet would mark a huge milestone in the history of humanity. The mysteries behind the planet Mars have been haunting mankind for centuries. Perhaps soon, maybe even within our lifetimes, we will finally unravel the secrets of the Red Planet.